Hello everyone, my name is Palak Narang and this is my task prioritizer program built in C++ using SplashKit. The program helps you sort tasks using the Eisenhower matrix: do now, schedule, delegate, or delete. Today I'll show how the GUI works, how the user enters input, and I'll explain the important code parts here. I'll also demonstrate adding, viewing, and updating and deleting tasks. Now I'm going to build and run the task once. This is what the output looks like. Here I can use buttons to add the task, view the tasks, update them, delete them, summary, and exit. For example, I'm clicking on the add task function. Then we have to, it is a console based, terminal based, and a GUI. So I am going to add the title here. For example, it's sit102. If it's urgent, write 1. If it's not, then write 0. It's the boolean function. So is it important? Let me mark it as no for now. The task is added. Now here is a prioritization number set according to Eisenhower matrix, and here I can view my task as well. To get out of it, I can press enter here. To update the task, I can again press on update task. Then I can just add the ID of the task, which was 1. I'm going to add a new title. For example, SIT111 is my new title of that task I already uploaded. Is it urgent? Yes. Important? Yes. So this is updated. Now, there is a prioritization number again set for it. Let's delete the task. Now I can enter the ID of the task again, and the task is deleted. The console is empty. Here you can also view it again, check that there is nothing inside the task list. Again, press enter to return back, and this is what the whole summary looks like. No tasks at all. And here how you can exit the program. So here I'm gonna quickly explain my code. At the top of my code, I include SplashKit because it gives graphic functions like drawing buttons, detecting mouse clicks, and clearing the screen. Then I have defined an anom, which represent 4 categories of Eisenhower matrix like do now, schedule, delegate, delete. Then I have constructed a struct. Each task has an ID, a title, whether it's urgent, whether it's important, and a priority score, right? And here I have declared some prototypes. I am going to talk about it in my design notes. So let's come to the main function. Inside the main, I open my SplashKit window, and then I have also created a dynamic array of tasks on the heap, as you can see here. I started with the capacity of 5 tasks, and if the array becomes full later, I will resize it by doubling its size. This is how I understood pointers and memory management. Then let's come to the main loop. This is where the whole game starts. Okay, so this loop keeps the window running, and this loop runs about 60 times per second, so the interface always updates smoothly. So then I check Like if the user has clicked the mouse, I compare the mouse position with each button rectangle using my function interact. And for example, if the user clicked the add task button, I call add task, and if they click a view button, I will call the view underscore tasks function. So this is the main controller of my tasks basically. Then coming to the GUI drawing. Wait, I have used the draw underscore button to draw each button inside that. Instead of using text width, I center the text with the simple formula. Uh, the formula is it's here. So this keeps it simple, and for the tasks, I loop through the array and draw each row. I have also created raw colors so it looks like more like an app. I've used light gray, black to make the contrast right here. Color red to show up a message of whatever more task and all. Status update is with the dark gray color. Um, because this splash kit is not fully supportive of the keyboard, so I have created a custom input method called GUI readline here. And when I need the user to type something, I do two things: show the prompt inside the GUI window as you saw it, and accept those through the console using the readline function. So it keeps it simple and basic, like that. And finally there is the code for the prioritization function. And this is the code these are the codes for add tasks, view task list, and update and delete and show summary. And this is the whole code and the explanation behind it. So this was my overall project that demonstrates GUI design, dynamic memory, pointers, structs, enums, and algorithm logic in a clear and simple way. Thanks for watching.